Take those caps off. The screwdriver. There you go. A lot of tape. So basically I'm trying to expose the two wires, the green and black. There you go. That's all I want to do. As you can see, all of this. So black is black, the red is green. And basically like that, right? We're extending it. So I'm going to cut right in the middle. Oh, that's it, no breaks. So it's 22. Get yourself nice ones. We're going to test it out first, right? Bit of mechanical, electrical tape. Make sure the connections are good, and then bypass this one up there. How'd you do it like this? So we just jimmy rigged it for now. Again, red, red, black, black. I mean red, green, black, black. Using the GS 100A. And then we're just testing it here. I'll even put it like that. All right. All right. Do it again. Do it again. All right. No, it didn't really work that well, but it's fine. So now I'm going to put these together. So basically it worked. We just kind of make the connections a lot better. And I'm going to mechanical tape this whole thing here. I had some of these things just so it doesn't bend or crimp. This part back out. Probably stay like that. Okay. All right, so then I know that there's so many ways of putting these together. We're just going ghetto fabulous here because I really don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but there's people that are gonna solder it. There's gonna be people that are gonna use, which would work perfectly. And before we put the screwdrivers and put everything back, we're gonna test it one more time. This time I'm just gonna close it, put it in like that. One, two,